it's Lala!
And Rose!
What are they doing?
And
I am Sky.
That's okay. Okay. Today we are in the woods.
Yep.
And what are we doing?
We're on the lookout for the blue-toothed dolphin.
The blue-toothed dolphin in the woods?
Yes.
No way.
Why not?
There is no. I know dolphins.
Dude, you're wearing a scarf, so shut up. And you're holding a rose, so shut up.
It's my pen, not a rose.
It looks like a rose. Rose, would you hit him on the head for me? No, don't get out of the shot.
What have I done?
You're gonna die. Oh my gosh, I gotta zoom in.
Pikachu!
Reflect.
You killed my Pikachu.
Go get it.
You know how long it's been my family?
How long?
Like 2 years. 2.
Yep, some weird footage.
Shut up.
What are you talking about?
You should like put it up a bit. Then put down.
Pikachu. Pikachu.